Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove this piece of shit old tap, right? And we're going to be installing this Caroma. It's a single tap, right? It's the one that you have a little fucking adjuster here. Okay, now I've never done this job before, but because I am like superiorly intelligent and I can just pick things up so fast because I'm just so fucking awesome. That's sarcasm, by the way. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it anyways, right? So as you can see underneath this tap, right, there's copper piping, guys, copper piping. Okay, so this one runs from there, okay, all the way up here, right, just up under here, right? And as you can see, it's got its own little rail that connects the two taps together with a hot and cold, which goes into the middle. And, you can see it up here, right in the middle, up there. I'll zoom in. Right in there, okay. And then, pretty much comes up here. And then, that's your tap, right? Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove that. And, you only need a couple of things. First of all, you need some of this shit, because that's going to help it not leak, and it's going to help it stay on the fucking... help it grip, of course. Need a couple of tools. I'm not going to tell you what size you need because you're going to have to figure that one out. In this case, the little hoses are a bit too short, so I had to get a couple of extension pieces to increase the length. And pretty much what's going to happen is we're going to be doing that. All right, I'm going to be connecting. So you've got inside there, you've got the one which is labeled, it's red. It's got a little red mark on there. That means it's hot. Okay, that's hot. And then the one over here is cold. So this one's cold, this one's hot. Basically, we undo this. Okay, I'm going to zoom out a bit. Okay, so we got two extensions. Okay, that's because I don't have enough space in there. All right, and we got the two original hoses which come with the tap. All right, let's move this up a little bit, okay, so you guys get a better view. All right, and because this tap it was a return from Bunnings, and my buddy works at Bunnings, I had to order these separate pieces here for this. It's just a little tap mounting kit. This is an M8, and this basically screws in here. So this will go on top of your tap, right? That's going to sit on top, and you're going to have the little rubber, right? So you're going to put this little rubber here. It's going to face upwards. You have your little rubber right there. That's going to sit right in there like that. So that's going to mount on top of your sink, right? And then you're going to have this one will be underneath the sink, okay? That's going to be sitting on there. It's going to match up here, okay? Bear with me, all right? It's going to match up there. And then we're going to get our little M8 socket. Okay. First of all, though, this one goes here. All right. So we're going to get that. We're going to put this right there. Okay. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. And then you're going to get your little socket. And then that's just going to screw straight up right in through there. Okay. Get a look at that. Get a look at that. Okay. Straight up through there. You're just going to tighten that up through there. Just like that. And then that's going to go on tight. Now this little kit came with its own little screw, so you can just go up in there and just tighten that in. Okay, that's the basic concept. All right, and your tap, like your metal, your sink is going to go in between these two rubber seals. All right. Okay, so I think I've explained that pretty well. This one goes over here. Get the fuck off. Okay, there we go. This one over here, like that. Okay, chuck that on here, like that. Now we can tighten this up, like that. That's much better, much better, much better. Okay. Tighten that the fuck up. Make sure that's nice and in there. Just like that. Love when that happens. Anyways, that's you're just going to do that for both cables. So I'll come back when I've done doing that this stupid shit. Just want to let you go. It's actually very hard to you know, do this and record at the same fucking time. So you know, if I look like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, it's not because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. It's literally because it's hard to record, keep it in the fucking frame, and do it at the same time. So, you know what I mean? That's one done. There's a little extension. And then I'm going to do the number 2 right here. And chuck that in like that. Okay. Basic fucking plumbing, apparently. Okay, so just doing that. Again, same thing. Twist it around, make sure it's fucking tight, make sure it fucking works. Okay. Final fucking turn, make sure it's all tight. You fucking prick. Okay, that's good. Yeah, 2 extensions done. Boom. Just like that. Okay. You want to fucking install these right through here. Okay, so cold goes here, hot goes here. Okay, so plug those, do those around like that, plug them in, turn them around, and then just tighten that up. It's going to be interesting. I don't know how the fuck people go about tightening the shit up right in the middle there. I honestly don't have a clue how they do that. I'm going to figure that out off the camera. And so basically, this is the other one. Chuck that through there, and you put your hot in the hot. Okay, just like that. That's done. Okay, so you now have your 2 cables. Those are going to run over here. These are going to run. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, these are going to run over here. These are going to run over to these little fucking areas right there. So we got number 1 on the left, that is hot, and the the one on the right, that's cold. Okay, so I'm going to figure out how to you know, get this shit out of the sink. I'm going to try and figure out how to just rip it all out. And then I'm going to try and install these. First of all, I'm going to figure out how to make these nice and tight, because that's something I need to do. That's important. And then yeah, basically all you do then is you just mount this. You mount this to the tap, and yeah, this mounts up. You chuck it on your brackets. That tightens down to the sink, and then you just get rid of the copper wires. And you get rid of all that, and then the sink. You'll remove the two water knobs, or whatever you want to call them. You'll remove those, and then you can do a delete. You can like get the little cover that, you know, covers up the holes that will be there from where the original little taps were. So that's basically how you do it. But I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys how it looks once it's done, and I'll also update during the video, like, you know, the progress, of course. But that's basically the concept of how to do it. It's really simple. It's mostly plug and play. As I said, turn the water off first. And if you need to, you can get a little, you know, adapter to make it so that you can fit your smaller cables to a bigger hole in the wall, but might not be necessary anyways. And also make sure that you get a towel. Put your towel underneath. So you're probably going to get a bit of water, you know, dripping down because of gravity and all that shit. And then yeah, it should be fine. But yeah, I'll come back in a second. Okay, so for this part here, I'm just removing the taps here. I'm using a little tiny pair of grips. You want to make sure that you just get in here. For me, I don't really give a shit about if I scratch it, because like I said, I'm going to throw this shit away anyways. So you just get in there, you just tighten it in. You just pop that around like that. It's the easiest way to do it. And you can just unscrew that like so. You want to unscrew that. get it nice and up. Get it up, okay. Screw that up. And underneath, you'll see that there is, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's another little piece here. You need to get your not your screwdriver, your spanner in there. I believe it's a 21 mil for this one, but you need to get that inside of there, and basically you need to like unscrew it like that way. So I'm gonna figure out how to do that because I don't have my 21. I don't know where the fuck it's gone, and I'm very upset about that. But let's see if I can do it just with these grips, I'm hoping. Otherwise, if not, then I'm gonna have to try and figure out where my tools are, where my 21 is anyways. So yeah, I think it's a 21 or a 25 or something like that. I'm not too sure. But yeah, look, we'll see what happens. It might be a 23 actually, 23 mil. But yeah, I'm gonna pop that out. I'm gonna get up in there, and yeah, we'll update along the way. Okay, so this middle tap is off, this one's off. So basically, I just unscrewed from here and then it just came straight off. Remove the copper piping from the wall and from the back. And just up underneath here, I've still got to get the other part off. But that basically screwed up. Up underneath here, okay, so up underneath here, I had to get a spanner to undo this. So I had to undo these, and then there's another pipe just in here that will just unclip from these, and then basically I'd end up just pulling it up, I guess. But yeah, real pain in the ass. What can I say? Real pain in the ass. Okay, that's a fucking tap off. That was a piece of shit of a job. It was a fucking prick. I lost my shit so many times because it's a pain in the ass getting it off, especially with not the right tools. But yeah, this is off. So basically, you're gonna get your tap. This one here is gonna go straight through here, and it's gonna go down and connect to the wall, to the pieces up underneath there. And you'll end up getting some tap blockers. You can just block these off. And yeah, that's basically all that you have to do. But yeah, I'm gonna get ahead and install this. Fucking shit job. These are the old pipes, as I said. These are the pieces from underneath. So it goes like this, basically 2 taps and the one in the middle, and that's where that part went. And, here's the old shitty, crappy, disgusting fucking tap, which just kept leaking. And so I decided, you know, fuck that, I'm getting rid of it, I don't want it anymore. Piece of shit, crap, fucking shithole tap. And yeah, I'm gonna put a new one in. It's gonna be a lot better, a lot nicer. And yeah, pretty much. Okay, so I have gotten the tap in. Sits on there like that. It's not super tight. I got underneath here, and I did the adjustment. Hang on, let me position the camera. So I did the adjustment. When you do it, just to show you guys, put these, when you do the tap, install this first, and then you can put these up through there, okay? But I found it was, like, for me, it was a bit of a pain in the ass, because these, you sort of have to hand tighten them in until the washer disappears, and these are a pain in the ass to do that. So I ended up having to push these through here, and I had to drill the hole, like the hole in the sink, I had to drill that out a little bit more to make it so that I could fit these through. And then basically I just, you know, put these up, installed this, and then, you know, I just can still tighten it up a bit more. So you basically, yeah, just tighten it in like that. That'll stay in nice. And then, yeah, I put a bit of plumber's tape around here, and then I just tighten them up. But they already have rubber washers, so it doesn't really matter. Same as these here. These had rubber washers, so I didn't do any plumber's tape here. I don't think I needed to do that. I don't think it was necessary, because like I said, they have the rubber anyways. And it turns out I didn't need those tips to make it bigger. These just fit on, but I bought those just in case because I wasn't sure, because it's an older tap. But that is all installed. It was a pain in the ass, but yeah, I got the main turned back on again. I just need to go and buy some tap covers for that, otherwise it's gonna look fucking weird. But yeah, and then you've got the washer just up underneath here, okay, and then you, like I said, you tighten that up, and then yeah, you've got that there, and then it sort of just sits there like that. I mean, it's not the most stable, but I mean, that's, I'd say, is mostly because like it's just a shitty sink. But just to show it works. I got cold. It's good because it's just so much easier to use than those stupid fucking taps. And hot. And yeah, this is just much better compared to this. Fucking cunt. Compared to this, how much lower that one is. So you've got like that much better. And it's also good. It's also good because like when you want to fill up your water filters, this is so much easier. I don't have to tip them over like I used to. And I don't have to deal with that tap that just kept leaking everywhere. Absolute pain in my ass. So yeah, that is how to install the tap. And you've got like little things. I think you can screw new things onto this. So you've got this little filters thing in here. Some taps you've got little extra things you can actually screw into these, which is cool. For little extra parts that sort of go on it. But yeah, that's a working tap, no leaks, everything's good. And yeah, that's how to install a tap into a sink with old copper piping. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one. Peace out.